Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 0.6% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
US President Donald Trump launched a series of attacks against Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, accusing the central bank chief of playing politics by not cutting interest rates, asserting he had the power to evict Powell from his job real fast, and looking forward to the day when Powell was gone. China is widely expected to leave its benchmark lending rates unchanged at the monthly fixing, but markets are wagering on more stimulus being rolled out soon in the face of an escalating Sino-US trade war. Policymakers have to walk a tightrope as yuan has come under pressure. Japan's Nikkei share average rose 1% on Friday to clock its best week in 3 months as investors turned more hopeful that US President Donald Trump would be able to broker trade deals with some of its top trading partners, including Japan.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report at 10 GMT. China's PBOC interest rate decision will be released at 1:15 GMT. New Zealand's exports at 22:45 GMT. New Zealand's imports at 22:45 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.